Hello all, in this video session. Today I am going to learn what are the SAP document types. Okay. Basically, document types are classified business transactions. Means by seeing the entries, if you know the document type, then you can easily classify the business transaction. It is at client level. Okay. At the client side, you may customize your document type. You may create your document type. Okay. You may create your document type in each and every financial year. Okay. So so here I am showing you common account type. Okay. Depending on the account type, you may classify your business uh, SAP document. Okay. If the account type is for A, the description may be asset related. If D is the customer related, K is the vendor related, S is the general ledger type, E is for electricity, W is for inventory management. Okay. This is just a common account type which is frequently used in different client side. Okay. Here I am going to showing you few common document types and their description. Okay. For example, AA is for asset posting, AB for accounting document, AF for depreciation posting, AN for net asset posting, AT for remittance transfer. Okay. The Here you can see these are the two. The subgroup is AA. Start from A, that is related with asset. Okay. If D is related with the customer, like the DA is the customer document, DB is the customer BC, DC is the customer document. Okay. Customer invoice document, customer credit memo documents. Okay. DN is the customer debit note document, DR is the customer invoice document, DS is the customer refund document, DY is the customer collection document, DZ is customer payment document. Okay. So these are the few customer related documents. Okay. If you are going FBL5 and run FBL5 and FBL1 or any GL expansion, if you see the detail entry, then you can classify you can apply the filter on these documents and you can segregate your business transaction. Means what are the customer payment documents, what are the customer collection documents, what are the customer refund documents. Okay. For example, EA is the temporary advance request document, ER is a temporary advance settlement document, ED is excise document. Okay. EI is the electricity invoice document. Okay. So if you open multiple documents list and you apply on the EI like electricity invoice document, then you may observe these are the electricity invoice document. Okay. EZ is electricity reversal document. Okay. FR is a fuel vendor invoice. K is a vendor document. Okay. K is stand for vendor. Okay. Net vendors document. KP is account maintenance. Okay. KR is a vendor invoice. KJ is a vendor payment. Okay. KT is a vendor clearing TA. KS is a retention vendor documents. Okay. Similar to LA, vendor LD reversal. LD is the vendor LD charges. LM is the liability medical. LT is the HR loan transfer. ML is the ML settlement. PR is a price change document. Okay. PY is the HR posting document. R1 is a revenue last post. R2 is the revenue final post. RA is a sub credit memo settlement. RB is a reverse for bad debtor. RE for invoice cross. RN for invoice net. RF is a customer advance refund. RM is a medical reversal. Okay. So these are the few document type which is created in SAP. Okay. By our consultant. Okay. So it may be different types in your company, if because you can define your document type as per the SAP defined criteria. Okay. RR is the retention transfer, RT is the invoice retention, RV is the billing document transfer. Okay. RY is the reversal of RF, SC is the general ledger account document, SB is the general ledger account posting document. Okay. SK is a cash document, adjustment documents, the data transfer document, UR is a data transfer vendor documents. WA is a goods issue document that once you post goods issue in SAP, then a separate document will be posted. The type of the document is WA. This is a GR document, good receipt document, inventory document, okay, and good issue oblique delivery document, net good receipt document, okay, ZB, ZC, and ZD documents, okay, PMS collection reversal document, PMS collection, bank depreciation by CSC, okay. ZD is a reverse bank depreciation CSC, ZF is ARO document, ZG is a discounting posting document, okay, ZI is a inter-company clearing document, ZJ is a GST JV document, okay, ZK is a KS document, ZM is a netting of pay receipt document, ZP is a payment posting document, ZQ is a payment post reversal document, ZR is a bank reconciliation document, ZS is a payment by check document, ZT is a telecom refund posting document, ZV is a payment clearing, ZZ is a customer invoice no ODN document. Okay, so these are the few general common SAP document type. You may see in this document are frequently used in the different general ledger, are in BL1 and are in MB51 and in the different document types. Okay, so I repeat again, you may create your own document type in different financial year. Okay, you may, these document types are classified the business transaction and it is at a client level. Okay, these are the few basic account types and description. Okay, so thank you for all. This is a basic SAP video. Okay, if you know these document type, then you can understand the basic details and segregation of these entries. Okay, repeating again. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query regarding this video topic, please feel free to comment. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, have a nice day.